Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming updates and apps so nothing blocks SharePlay. Make sure your device runs the latest OS and Spotify is installed and logged in. Start a FaceTime call with the person or group you want to listen with. This is the trigger for SharePlay. Once the FaceTime connects, open Spotify while the call is active. You do this because SharePlay is initiated from within a live FaceTime session. Starting here gets the session ready for shared playback. You now select the music you want to share and trigger SharePlay directly from the Spotify app. With FaceTime running, pick a song, album, or playlist. Tap the contextual menu or the share icon and choose SharePlay. Make sure you allow Spotify to use SharePlay when prompted by the system. Once started, playback will sync for all participants. Also check the playback control option so you know whether everyone can control playback or only the host. This prevents accidental skips. You finish by managing the shared session and knowing how to resolve common issues. Control the session with FaceTime and Spotify. Add songs to the queue, change tracks, or hand control to others. If playback drifts or won't start, first quit and reopen Spotify, then rejoin the FaceTime call. This often resets SharePlay. Make sure all participants have compatible OS and the latest Spotify app. If problems persist, restart devices. Once synced again, resume listen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.